Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the Draw tab in PowerPoint, and it only takes about a minute. Adding this tab can make your presentations much more interactive and visually engaging. So let's jump right in. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you're using a recent version because the interface may look slightly different in older editions. Once you're in, open any presentation where you want to use the Draw tab. Next, head over to the File tab in the top left corner of your screen. This is where you can access core settings, including the ability to customize your ribbon. Once you click File, scroll down and click Options. In the new window that pops up, select Customize Ribbon. This is where the magic happens. You can choose which tabs are visible in your PowerPoint interface. Now, look for the Draw tab in the list. If it's unchecked, that means it's currently hidden. Simply click the box next to Draw to make it appear on your ribbon. Once you've done that, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. And that's it. You'll now see the Draw tab at the top of your PowerPoint ready to use. From drawing with a stylus to highlighting or creating shapes, this tab can really help make your slides more dynamic and engaging. Thanks for watching. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this. Happy presenting!